In this video I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about CBD oil. CBD can help with a very wide range of things. It's famous for treating anxiety, stress, depression, epilepsy, pain, and a lot of other things. I have tried a lot of supplements to treat my own anxiety, but found nothing as effective as CBD oil. CBD can be taken in different ways. The most common ones are vaping, eating, and sublingual, which means under your tongue. Each way of usage has its own pros and cons, so find out which one you like the most yourself. Myself, I prefer to use it sublingual, since it's one of the most purest, quickest, easiest, cheapest, and effective ways. There are two different types of CBD. These are called isolated and full spectrum. The CBD plant contains around 100 cannabinoids. Isolated means it contains only one of them. Pure CBD with no other components. Full spectrum means it contains all of the cannabinoids. My advice is to go for a full spectrum. Full spectrum provides a lot more and way stronger health benefits than just isolated, because all the components work together, like a football team, creating something like a superpower, called the Entourage effect. Out of the many cannabinoids, the two most famous ones are CBD and THC. Full spectrum also contains a very little bit of THC, but you cannot get high from it. The amount of THC is less than 0.1%, which is way too low to get you high, and there is way more CBD in it, which works against the effect of getting high. So don't be afraid, full spectrum will not make you high. Another very nice thing is that you can't build tolerance to CBD oil. For things like THC, you can build tolerance, but not for CBD because it doesn't bind to your receptors. Studies even suggest that CBD has the opposite effect, a reverse tolerance. This basically means that you need less from it over time, instead of more, so it works better when it's built up in your system. Also, you cannot overdose on CBD oil. It is 100% safe, and has no big side effects. So there is no need to stop using it after a period of time, you can keep using it. The right dosage is different for everyone, and also depends on what you're using it for, so it's very hard to give a specific dosage. For some things a low dosage works better, and for other things a higher dosage works better. For example, for treating anxiety, a low to medium dose will work better than a dose that is too high. But for epilepsy, a higher dosage is required. So it's the best to find a common dosage for your condition, and try out for yourself, by starting low, and upping the dosage till the desired effect is reached. For anxiety, when using a tincture for sublingual use, I suggest to start with around 7 drops of oil containing 5% CBD. When you don't feel any difference, you can add a few drops till you found the desired amount. For how long the effect lasts also differs from person to person, and depends on the way of using, but when using it sublingual, the average time the effect lasts is 4 to 6 hours. When using sublingual, make sure to keep the oil under your tongue for at least 2 minutes, and after that, swirl it around in your mouth before swallowing. This is because you absorb very little when swallowing it directly. It really has to be absorbed under your tongue, so it goes directly into the bloodstream. There are a lot of good CBD brands, but also a lot that are bad. Find out the best rated CBD brands in your country by looking at reviews. These were the basics you need to know about CBD. If you got any questions, ask them in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel and turn notifications on. More videos like this coming soon. Good luck with the CBD.